asking about family, understanding relationships and connections. Are you married? How is your family? How old is your dad? How old is your mom? Do you have any pets? How old are your kids? How old are your kids? What does your dad do? What does your mom do? How old is your niece? Are you an only child? How old is your nephew? How old is your spouse? Do your kids get along? Do your kids get along? Do you have any cousins? Do you have any in-laws? What do your parents do? Do you have any sisters? What do your in-laws do? Do you have any brothers? What do your siblings do? What do your siblings do? Do you have any godparent? Are you the oldest child? Do you have any siblings? Do your kids play sports? Are your parents retired? Do your kids go to school? How many aunts do you have? How many aunts do you have? What is your spouse's name? Do your siblings have kids? Are you the youngest child? Where do your siblings live? Where does your family live? How many uncles do you have? Do your parents live nearby? Do your parents live nearby? Does your family have a pet? Do your siblings live nearby? How many sisters do you have? What do your kids like to do? Are you close to your family? How many cousins do you have? How old is your oldest child? How old is your oldest child? How many children do you have? How many brothers do you have? Do you have any grandchildren? Do you have any step-siblings? Do you come from a big family? Do your parents live together? How old is your oldest sibling? How old is your oldest sibling? Are your parents still working? How old are your grandchildren? Do you visit your family often? How old is your youngest child? How long have you been married? Are you close with your in-laws? Are you close with your cousins? Are you close with your cousins? What is your family background? Do you have any family heirlooms? How old is your youngest sibling? What are your children's names? How often do you see your family? Do you have any family traditions? How often do you call your family? How often do you call your family? How many grandparents do you have? Are your grandparents still alive? Do your kids play any instruments? Do you have a big extended family? Do you have any nieces or nephews? How many kids do you want to have? Do you have any great-grandparents? Do you have any great-grandparents? What do your great-grandparents do? What's your favorite family memory? Do you and your family cook together? What are your grandchildren's names? What kind of pet does your family have? Do you and your family travel together? What's your family's favorite food? What's your family's favorite food? What's your family's favorite book? Do you spend holidays with your family? What's your family's favorite game? What's your family's favorite sport? What's your favorite family tradition? What's your favorite childhood memory? What's your family's favorite movie? What's your family's favorite movie? How long have your parents been married? Does your family speak another language? Does your family have any special skills? Are you close to your great-grandparents? How often do you visit your grandparents? What's your family's favorite activity? What's your family's favorite vacation? What's your family's favorite vacation spot?